Yeah. Now turn right, and then turn right again, straight away.
Empty car park, not a soul around.
So this car's going to piss you off right now. He's going to turn left. So if you want to angle your speed and let him go,
she's wide awake,
that's it.
with a fire to keep.
And then come down.
Keys in hand.
Cool. And then go that way around.
A quiet growl turns wild beneath.
Good lass.
First time
Yeah, I need some air in that front tyre.
The 1000 roll. Like waking something
Why?
she's never known before. A nervous smile, then a spark in her eyes, one twist, and the silence dies. She wolfed right into the dawn on 1000cc. She's reborn.
Turn your next left, and because he's coming down that same way, turn him that way. You don't have to keep indicating you're on a car bike. Ah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Forward as you can when you're doing slow maneuvers.
And the way it makes her feel.
You can slide your ass back when you're doing like 30 plus.
Clutch out slow, then she glides ahead.
Hello.
Every doubt
Look like having
left
fun.
cold and dead. A little laugh breaks through the sound as she circles that silent ground.
Yeah.
The morning air cuts clean and sharp.
Right, give it a bit more beans now.
A living spark. Every turn, a growing flame. Every second, rewrite.
Give it a bit of beans. Up to the shop.
She leans in close.
That's better. That's better. Now I can actually hear the bike working. That's better. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, nice. That's better. Yeah. Now feed her straight away. Whoom. That's better. That's proper. Yeah.
Makes her feel. Street lights fade, sunrise creeps, golden light across the empty streets, and in that glow she finds her truth, a wild heartbeat, untamed youth. No fear left, just open sky.
Looks like you're having fun.
And the sound of freedom passing by.
Yeah.
Throttle whispers, then it screams.
I want to see you coming down that straight. You seem to like that straight.
Her wildest dreams. She will fly into the dawn on 1000cc. She's reborn.
Easy.
Car park kingdom, her first domain, where joy and thunder know her name. First ride, carved into her soul, a fleeting moment.
It looks good.
That made her whole.
You'll see on video.
The world stood still, just
Yeah.
her, the machine and the thrill.
Right, turn left and come straight down towards me.
Long after the engine sleeps,
Well, you can go round and do it again.
the first ride is hers to keep.
They can't do anything.
"6 a.m., cold concrete ground, empty car park, not a soul around.
Yeah, I'm listening to Bike as well.
Shutters down,
I'm not just watching you, I'm listening to
the
Bike.
world still sleeps. And she's
Sounds nice
wide
when you go
awake
down that back straight.
with a fire to keep. Keys in hand, that engine breathes. A quiet growl turns wild beneath.
I'll be disappearing in a minute.
First time feeling
Cool. Yeah, yeah.
1,000 roll.
We'll go to right and then right again.
Something she's never known before. A nervous smile, then a
That felt
spark in
different to
her
you, didn't it?
eyes, one twist, and the silence dies. She wolfed right into the
And then go round again, all the way round this time.
on 1,000cc.
Yeah, yeah.
She's reborn. It goes crash through the empty
Cool.
space, pure joy written on
And then
her
park it anywhere
face.
here.
First ride,
Anywhere here.
heart racing free. Power like she's never seen. In that moment, nothing else is real, just the bike and the way it makes her feel.
That was fun.
Yeah? You enjoy that? You've just done 5 mile round car park.